हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम कुल राजपूत एंड यू आर वाचिंग माय चैनल। मैं फिर हाजिर हूँ आपकी खिदमत में एक नई वीडियो के साथ, वो भी बहुत ही बेहतरीन, बहुत ही मज़ेदार। ये तो बनाना ज़रूर बनता है। हेलो, अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड नमस्ते। आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग सुपर और आपकी दुआ से आई एम डूइंग सुपर फैंटास्टिक। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड with making very delicious Nendran Pazham Halwa, which is also known as the Rajali Keli in Maharashtra. I have blended a couple of bananas, okay, I don't remember how many, but I got exactly 2.5 cup pulp. I'm going to use this jaggery, coconut jaggery, and coconut jaggery I'll be taking exactly 1.5 cup. So 2.5 cup to 3 cup blended banana. For that 1.5 cup coconut jaggery or plain jaggery or plain sugar, whatever you want you can take. But I will recommend you that for this recipe, please do use the organic jaggery or coconut jaggery if you can. It is too good. Once you make, you will know. Now to this 1.5 cup coconut jaggery, okay, I'm transferred this to a bigger bowl. I'm going to add say 1/4 cup water. After adding water, you need to mix this well and you need to keep this aside. इससे क्या होगा? The sugar will quickly dissolve in the halwa. It will not take lot of time. And 1/3 cup ghee, so which is around 6 tablespoon ghee we'll be using for this. Little cardamom powder I'll be using, and a very important spice which is nutmeg. So 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg I'll be using for this recipe. Now let's keep a big pan on the gas, and to that I've added this blended banana paste. And I would like to tell you that on the channel I've already made banana halwa of overripe bananas. I will leave the link here on the screen. Do check that recipe out. I have made that little differently. Now coming to this mixture which we have added to the pan, you have to stir fry this mixture very well. Right now you can see that it is looking little loose. ये थोड़ा सा ढिल्ला दिख रहा है, ओके, बट जैसे आप इसको भूनते रहेंगे ना, ये थोड़ा सा थिक होना शुरू हो जाएगा. एज यू कैन सी, इट विल स्टार्ट बिकमिंग थिक एंड इट विल स्टार्ट स्टिकिंग टू द साइड्स ऑफ द वेसल. यू विल कम टू दिस स्टेज in 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, as you can see, it has become thick and it is coming together. That's when you will add 1 tablespoon ghee to this banana mixture. I have added 2 tablespoon ghee, and after adding the ghee you have to again saute this very well, and this banana mixture will absorb all the ghee, okay, and it will become easy for you to saute it also. So ensure that you clean all the sides of the kadai and saute this for good 3 to 4 minutes again. As you can see, the little moisture content in that mixture has dried up, okay, and now time has come to add another tablespoon of ghee, and we'll saute this for 2 minutes. And now is the time for the twist, and the twist is we are going to add 1/2 cup almond flour to this mixture. Yes, this is the twist for this halwa, the almond flour, which will take this to a next level. Almond flour will absorb all the extra moisture. And now time to add another tablespoon ghee. Saute good for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add another tablespoon ghee to this. So in total we have added around, I think, 5 tablespoon ghee. And as you keep on sauteing this, you will know that this mixture has become quite thick. You can see it is forming into a lump and it moves in any direction you take it. See how it's going round, round, round. Now time to add our coconut jaggery, which was soaking in water. Look at that rich chocolatey color. Amazing. Feel as if you have poured chocolate, okay, on a caramelized cream or something like that. But now let's get back to reality. That's your coconut jaggery, which I had soaked in 1/4 cup water, okay, and I'm adding here 1/4 cup almond flour. Total I've added 3/4 cup, because after adding that coconut jaggery, again a lot of moisture has got accumulated, so the almond flour will absorb all the moisture. Again a tablespoon of ghee, and you need to saute this very well for 2 to 3 minutes. And here I had sauteed 1/2 cup cashew in 1 teaspoon ghee. No, I'm not adding it right now, but I'm just showing you that I sauteed this in 1 teaspoon ghee. We will keep this aside, okay. And now comes the time where you need to add here 1/2 teaspoon cardamom powder, which is a must. And then comes the nutmeg powder, which is also a must. 1/4 teaspoon I've grated over here. Now later I had added the cashews also, but I don't know, that clip has gone missing, sorry about that. And the last tablespoon ghee, give it a very good saute, and when you're sauteing you will know that your halwa has come together. Beyond this we are not going to saute. After you add the last tablespoon ghee, saute for 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. The halwa is all ready to be dished out. Set it in any tray, bowl, any vessel that you would like to, and decorate the way you like it. I have placed them in these 2 silver foil containers, and remaining I plated in the glass bowl, and I decorated it with some sugar flowers that I had. Use any kind of decoration that you would like to. You are your own boss. Friends, I really do hope you have enjoyed today's recipe. If you have, then don't forget to give your like, share and subscribe. Take very good care of yourself. Be safe. Good food, good mood. And until we meet next, don't forget to eat, love and pray. Bye. Keep smiling. Be happy. Enjoy your cooking, friends.